everyone, this is Twin Gaming here, and I'm going to be making a shout out to Jesse L. So I think I'm going to do this because my brother did it to our cousin, and he, in the comments, he said he was jealous, and he's one of my best friends. So I think I should give him a shout out. I start out in this flat land, and I immediately leave, because if you did not know, there's lucky spawns and unlucky spawns, and that was one of the unluckies. So let's continue to a nice world, hopefully. What the? We started a mesa biome? Okay, this is so weird. Never been spawned here before. Well, let's find some stuff. Fast as possible. Wait. This isn't going to be with the difficulty up. Yeah, it's not up right now, so that's good. Because I'm just going to say shout out to him, man. He's only done one video, but I'm sure he's going to do more. And I just think he deserves more. Not just because he asked, but he's a loyal friend to me. He's one of my best friends, and I just really like him. He's a nice dude. So, okay, now make a crafting table. Crafting table done. Wood planks, sticks. Okay, that was a weird glitch. But let's go about it. Oh shit. I did not expect this happening. Okay, where are you? So, Jesse L, if you're watching this, I just want to let you know that we really appreciate your videos. I really want you to make more, and Tyler does too. And we subscribe. We want you to make sure you subscribe, even though I think you did, and so you will be notified for every video we make. And you can watch it, like, comment, and ask other friends of yours maybe to subscribe. So, there's pretty much not really left to say, but I still do like exploring this mesa biome. This is actually really cool. Ooh, that was a hard one. So glad I made it. Oh, I'm so stuck. You're stuck? How are you stuck? Okay, I got it. I don't even go the same way. I'm gonna try and jump. Well, I think that's all we have for you today. Thank you. Please comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time. See you next time on the Twin Gaming Show. Bye. Twin Gaming out.